Yay, the next song is one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite, all my favorite design patterns. I just cannot honestly, I just can't with this pattern, honestly. It's the composite design pattern. I know it's a very rare design pattern. If you've actually been looking over the O'Reilly TypeScript design patterns, which is a great book, by the way, if you want to look at it, a great ebook, a great Christmas gift for computer scientists. It's a very beautiful, very fun design pattern. Also, we don't have like all these happy face emojis because it makes me so happy. First of all, it's a design pattern with the composite, which means basically you have all the children be run in a tree. Second of all, it's super, super simple to code. Like it literally is built in within Babel traverser. And third of all, if you love trees, you'll love this pattern. So yeah, enjoy the Christmas tree, enjoy the composite pattern, and also a little bit of a pun. My professor this year for FSC, or one of my professors, is called Professor Bell. So the next two songs are dedicated to him, Professor Jonathan Bell. Thank you so much for helping us with this FSC class and with this incredibly difficult and historic semester to learn the composite and design pattern, visitor pattern super well. Without further ado, I'm going to really enjoy this one, so sing with me if you want. We're going to have a jingle bells called composite bells, compose bells design pattern. I'll give you a warning, it's a bit fast, so make sure you can catch up. Jing through the notes, one Babel AST, over the old code, traversing all the way, ha ha ha, Bell on Piazza, making deadlines tight. Oh, what fun it is to bug and use composite tonight. Compose bells, tree structs all the way. Visit all of the children and the leaves today. Compose bells with the test and try. Visit all, visit present, and don't forget it tonight. Don't forget to cite it. Think through the notes in one Babel AST. Over the old code, traversing all the way, ha ha ha. Bell on Piazza, making deadlines tight. For what fun it is to bug and use composite tonight. Compose bells, tree strokes all the way. Visit all of its children and the leaves today. Compose bells with the test and jive. Visit all of its children and don't forget Santa tonight. Not yet done, guys. Change of keys. Dashing through the notes in one Babel AST. Over the old code, traversing all the way. Bell on Piazza, making deadlines tight. What fun is the debug and to try to use composite tonight. Compose bells, tree goes all the way. Visit all of his children and the leaves today. Compose bells with the test and shy. Visit all of its children and don't forget to cite it tonight. As you can see, this is a tougher song, so I made a couple more mistakes, but it is like the composite design pattern. You learn from the mistakes, you learn from the trees. Go from the root all the way down to its children. Yeah. So that's the amazing composite design pattern. And now this next one is going to be a bit of a roast of one of our tougher homeworks in FSC, aka my first ever graduate all-nighter, aka the composite AST visitor thing. Oh boy. And you know what I'm going to be using for that one? A great, great Carol of the Bells called Visit of the Bells. So yes, I really am thankful for Professor Jonathan Bell teaching us this FSC design pattern, but oh my god, that homework really made me put for an all-nighter. Not recommended for any computer science or graduate student. But you know what? If you don't rest, you don't eat. If you don't code, you don't eat. That's a John Smith way of computer science from Professor Bell. So anyway, the next song is going to be a bit of a Carol of the Bells type of parody. Enjoy.